Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents and welcome to Taw Wharf. And you'll obviously see I am stood waterside. This is Barnstaple's only brand new waterside development currently available. Now we're down to the very few last homes here. I'm in plot 159. It's a fantastic 5-bedroom end terraced home, complete with a huge tandem style garage down on the ground floor, the 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms arranged over the top 2 floors, and fabulous open plan living space with a modern and well equipped kitchen on the first floor. Now these 2 balconies, one here that I'm stood on and another one just across the way, overlook the river. The views over the town are wonderful, and this house is ideal for those that want low maintenance family living, but with all the convenience to the town centre and the amenities that Barnstaple has. Now I'm going to give you a look around this property now. There's no furniture in this one, so you've got to use your imagination a little bit, but we will inspire you with some shots of a furnished unit at the end of the video. So let's take a look around now. So there we are. I hope I've inspired you by showing you this fantastic low maintenance waterside home. You've got a lot of space here, perfect for the modern day family living, and of course don't forget these stunning views in over the river. Now I've said this is plot 159. There are other house styles still available here, but we're down to the very last few, so don't miss your chance to buy at Taw Wharf. Call us now to book your show home viewing. The telephone number is 01 271 373 404. Many thanks.